YouTube friends and family. Here we go again. Here we go again. I have Family Dollar. These stores closing all over the place. This is a sign of the times in my Prince voice. Okay? Sign of the times. These stores are closing. Jacksonville now has Monument closing. I want to retract from my last video. Kings and Myrtle, I don't know because they don't have a sign up. So if they're closing, it's not that one. It must be the one down by the Burger King. But I hadn't been to that one. State Street was already 50% off. That store is pretty much... I went to that store and I only spent $15. So that can tell you the shape that store is in. That's State Street downtown. If you're from Jacksonville, Florida, State Street downtown near the old Burger King, across from the old Burger King next to the McDonald's. So this, I got $15, $16, $17 because I did buy some more. About $15, yeah, because it was 12 and then it was another 2. So I bought this. Of course, I should have checked the date. Check the date on everything you buy, because guess what? Oh, okay. It says May 2025, so it's good. I saw that 2023. I was like, oh, Lord, have mercy. And this one I cannot find the date on, but I bought these. And the total for both of these were $2. $1. Wait a minute, let me see. Oh, look it, I got the receipt, sorry. $3. Ooh. Yeah, $3.81. It was still, gum is expensive. So $3.81, but in a regular store, this would have been about $4 by itself. So I did buy some chewing gum. I got so much stuff down here. I need to put this stuff away. Then, this is part of the $12 haul. I bought some straws. Want to say they were $1 and they were 50% off, so they were 50 cents. I bought books and journals. I was really looking for their little receipt budget book or whatever, but I couldn't find that. So I did get this notes, and it has, you know, pages like this with, you know, just straight lines. And then, oh gosh, I'm running out of room. I got these two, and they say, so here's the plan. And they're a little smaller, but they regular old lines. And then I got Every Day is a Fresh Start. And of course, regular lines. Every day is a fresh start. So I did grab those. And then at the 50% off, I did get these flex bins. I got 3 of them. And they were $1 and something, like $1.25. And these exact bins in different colors are right now $3 or $5 at the Dollar Tree. So they were, I'm going to give you the exact price. They were $1.25. $1.25. Okay, so I did that. And then I went to the one that's still 30% off. And right now, this is what I suggest. Don't wait on 50% for this. Go ahead and get it at the 30% off. So I got one of these, 2 of these, one of these, 2 of these. And they were $4.90 for the shake and feed and $5.60 for the other. So I spent $32 on this haul. Woo! Now, also for the garden. Okay, we got too much going on here. Okay. Also for the garden. Well, let me do this first. This was 10 big coffee cups for the coffee station. 16 ounces. They didn't have the little insulated ones I bought before, which I'm a little bit disturbed by. And these were still expensive. So, but I noticed Dollar Tree doesn't carry them anymore. I hadn't seen them in Dollar Tree. Let me know if you've seen the coffee cups at Dollar Tree with the lids, because I have not. You know I go to a lot of Dollar Trees. I have not seen these. So they were $2.27 for 10 cups. I wish I'd have got them all the last time when they were 50% off and they were the right size. So this is there's another bag here. Okay, there it is. This. Now I promise I don't have a cat. But this is natural cat litter with no scent. Natural earth-based product. Natural and fragrance-free. Okay, so here's why I bought this for the garden. I don't know if this was something I was missing, but that's only $3.30 a bag regular. And it was, let's see, $2.31. I was watching Robbie and Gary, and she let the cat out of the bag. I did not know that stuff, as long as it's natural, odorless, not scented, unscented, it could be used just like vermiculite. I said, huh? So I went out and bought, that's my third bag. I tried it. I'm like, oh my goodness, it works. I'm sprouting my green beans with this right now mixed in the soil, in the raised bed mix. So I say I'm gonna keep that on hand. And then I bought more of these. And they're 80 and like 86, 87 cents because they're regular $1.25. And I'm hoping this works. I brought this because right now, this is good for rain barrels. If you want holes shooting each way. I bought 2 of them. And I want to say they were $3, so they were $2.10. So I bought 2 of them because I'm going to put one on the back, one on the front. And that way I can have the water for the sprinkler, you know, because I've been watering my new sod going one way while I'm watering the plants with another little hose going the other way. So I bought 2 of these, plus you can use them on rain barrels. So adding this to the garden stockpile. And then I bought this because I wanted to try it. Curiosity. I'm probably going to taste it and get a recipe, cameraman. Because it just looked interesting. It looked very interesting. So that's it. That's all. So that's my haul for Family Dollar. Here's how you find which ones are closing near you. Go to the app or go to Google. Put in Family Dollars near me. Look at the store hours. If the store hours end at 7 p.m., that is a store that is closing. Then go to the store. If it's 30% on the door, the whole store is 30% off. The only thing that does not go 30% off, that does not go 30 and 50% off is the liquor and tobacco, cigarettes, beer, wine. Okay? So, y'all need to take advantage of this. Get the stockpiling with it. Get them summer shorts for them kids to play in. Because I'm telling you, even at 30%, they're $3.50 for a pair of shorts. Cheaper than the thrift store. You know they're going to be hanging out in shorts all summer. So, why not clothe them up with the $3.50? They in the house, they should not mind. Or they're outside helping you in the garden, so they should not mind. What they look like, that they don't have Nike on them and all that stuff. They clothes, they can wear them. Okay? So check out the clothes, the night clothes, 30%, 50%. There was still a lot of clothes left at the 50% mark. So if you want to wait to save more, you can take that chance. If you have babies, you got to stock up on your diapers, baby clothes, things like that. And other baby supplies. If you have one on the way, you might want to buy a few items to prepare. But this is a prime time to prep and stock up. And I hope you like this video. If you do, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Tell me if you've caught one of these Family Dollar clearance sales and the things you wish you would have bought that you need to look for. Give me some more suggestions in the comments as the stuff I probably should be on the lookout for that I might be glossing over or not thinking about. And again, thank you so much for watching. As always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Stay safe out there and keep your head on swivel. I love you to life, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.